In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Outlook online search history. Clearing your search history is a quick way to protect your privacy, tidy up old or irrelevant terms, and reset the suggestions that appear when you start typing in the search bar. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen means, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you want to manage. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date browser and the latest Outlook on the web interface. Next, click Files. Depending on the version or layout you're using, this may appear as a menu label, or you might see a gear icon near the top right for settings. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different, the destination is the same. We're heading toward the area where Outlook's preferences live. From there, go to Settings. This is where Outlook groups controls for your account, interface, and data. If you're on the web version and only see a quick panel, look for an option to open all settings so you can view everything in one place. You won't need to change anything else, just follow along to the Privacy section. In Settings, select General, then click Privacy and Data. The General section covers broad preferences, and the Privacy and Data page focuses on how Outlook stores and uses things like search history. This area is designed to give you control over what's remembered to speed up future searches. Now click Delete History. This targets the search queries you've made in Outlook Online. It removes the stored terms that power auto suggestions in the search box, helping keep your recent lookups private. It does not delete your emails, contacts, or calendar items, only the history of what you've searched for. Finally, click Continue to confirm. Outlook will ask you to confirm because this action can't be undone. After you confirm your search history is cleared, you might not notice an immediate visual change, but the next time you search, you'll see fewer or no previous suggestions until you build up new ones over time. If things look cached, a quick page refresh can help. That's it. You've opened Outlook in your browser, navigated through Files and Settings, selected General, opened Privacy and Data, deleted your history, and confirmed the change. Consider repeating this periodically if privacy is important to you. And if you're using a work or school account, some options may be managed by your organization.